Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you where to buy transformers in Nigeria, trusted places to get quality electrical transformers, and important tips to help you choose the right one for your home, business, or industrial use. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos. GZ Industrial Supplies, one of Nigeria's largest distributors of industrial and electrical equipment, offers ABB, Siemens, and Meccano transformers with nationwide delivery. Locations: Lagos, Port Harcourt, Abuja, Calabar, Kano. Sales at gz-supplies.com. www.gz-supplies.com. Tickweld Welding Supplies and Services, a reputable supplier for both domestic and industrial power equipment, including step-down and distribution transformers. Provides installation and servicing support. Locations: Lagos, Port Harcourt, Ibadan. Sales at tickweld.com. www.tickweld.com. Epoxy Oil Serve Nigeria Limited. Supplies transformers, lubricants, and bunker fuels for marine and industrial operations. Offers bulk supply, after-sales maintenance, and nationwide distribution. Locations: Port Harcourt, Lagos, Warri. Sales at epoxyoil.com. www.epoxyoil.com. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.